Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher and today we will finish unit number 3 as we have learned in previous week of the first 2 pages of unit number 3. Now today we will finish the unit. Now this is your book New Oxford Primary Science Level 2 3rd edition. Now come to page number 18. This was the unit which we have learned in the previous week, that is part 2 unit 3, plants and their parts. First thing is that what are plants? Plants are living things. Plants are living things. Why? Because they grow like us, they eat like us. So plants are living things. Now next is that types of plants. We have learned about the types of plants, that herbs and shrubs are small plants, trees are the largest plants, creepers grow on ground, and climbers are the plants which climb up on other trees or surfaces. After that we have learned about the age of a tree, that how we will define about the age of a tree. The age of a tree is like you can define the age of a tree through these rings. The rings which is present in the bark or the stem of any plant. Now we have learned about the parts of the plant, that how many parts a plant have. Plants have different parts, that is root, stem, leaf and flower, and they have different jobs. Now today we will learn about fruits and parts of a fruit. Now first thing is, so today we will learn about the fruits and the parts of a fruits, about the flowers, their seeds, about fruits and dry fruits. Now although we have many types of flowers or many types of trees, but in flowers some of them grow into fruits and some of them cannot grow into fruits. Why? Because through pollination some of the flowers change into fruits, but some of them cannot change into fruit. Now next one is, we have different types of fruits. Some of them are we can eat and some of them are poisonous. Now poisonous fruits which grow in different jungles, they are poisonous and we cannot eat them, and some of them which we eat in our daily lives are the fruits which is not poisonous. Now look at your books. There are different parts of a fruit. A fruit have the main important part, that is the skin. And skin, what does it do? It protects the fruit. It protects the fruit how? Like our skin protects our body, so the skin of a fruit protects its flesh or its inner parts. So the first thing is the skin of a fruit. Then inside a fruit there is a fleshy inner part. In every fruit there is a fleshy inner part, and each and every fruit have seed mostly in the middle of the fruit. Now some of fruits are covered by pods. Pods are also skin of the fruits, but they are hard. Some fruits have thin skin and some have hard skin. Now seeds. Now all fruits have seeds, but some of them have one, some have few, some have many. Like mango and plum have one seed, banana have no seeds, and some of them have few seeds. Few seeds means more than one. So apple and orange have few seeds, and some of them have many seeds, like watermelon, melon, they have many seeds. So basically all the fruits have seeds, but some of them have one seed, some of them have few seeds, and some of them have many seeds. Now as we know that we eat fruits, different types of fruits, and they are different in taste, but as well as we have some dry fruits. Now what are dry fruits? Dry means खुश्क. तो जो फ्रूट्स हमने ड्राई करके खाने होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड ड्राई फ्रूट्स. लाइक वॉलनट, आलमंड, पीनट्स, दे ऑल आर ड्राई फ्रूट्स. अब ये ड्राई हैं इसीलिए हम इनको काफ़ी टाइम तक प्रिजर्व रख सकते हैं, ये ख़राब नहीं होते. बट जो फ्रूट्स हैं उनकी एक टाइम लिमिट होती है, उसके बाद वो ख़राब होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, अगर हम उनको ट्री से उतारे भी ना तब भी उनकी एक सेम लिमिट के बाद वो फ्रूट्स ख़राब होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. बट ड्राई फ्रूट्स जो होते हैं इनको हम काफ़ी टाइम के लिए प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now many seeds grow into trees. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. Like we have different fruits, so they all have different shapes and sizes of their seeds, and they also have different colors of their seeds. Like here we have an apple seed, melon seed and watermelon seeds. They all are different in color, they all are different in shape, they all are different in sizes. It means that different fruits have different seeds and they are in different colors. Like mango have a big one seed inside a mango. Apple have 4 to 5 small tiny seeds inside them. Watermelon have many seeds inside them. So their color is changed, their shape is changed, as well as their sizes change. Now almonds, walnut and peanuts, they all are dry fruits and we also eat them. So nuts are hard shell fruits of some plants. They have one seed and a hard shell. हार्ड शेल के अंदर जितने ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं दे आर ऑल्सो अ सीड. ड्राई फ्रूट्स खुद एक सीड है. जैसे एलमंड है तो एलमंड इज ऑल्सो अ सीड. इट इज अ ड्राई फ्रूट बट इट इज ऑल्सो अ सीड ऑफ एलमंड. सो यू कैन ग्रो एन एलमंड प्लांट थ्रू you can bury it in soil and you can grow an almond plant. Now we will do the exercise of this unit. Page number is 22 and exercise is 1. Choose the correct answer. Now which of these is a type of herb? Here you have a question that which of these is a type of herb. So here you have 4 options. You have to choose the correct one. Now jasmine is a flower. Mango is a fruit. Cucumber is a vegetable. And coriander is a herb. Coriander धनिये को कहते हैं and we use it for flavoring food. So coriander is a herb. So the right option is number D. Now which of these is not a fruit? अब इन चारों में से fruit कौन सा नहीं है? Okay. So orange is a fruit. Pineapple is also a fruit. Plum is also a fruit. Radish is a vegetable. मूली को कहते हैं. So here they ask about that which one is not a fruit. So radish is not a fruit. Now which of these is a seed? You have 4 options. Which of them is a seed? Now number 1 is grape is a fruit. Rose is a flower. Apricot is a fruit. Orange peep means seed inside a fruit. So it means that is the seeds of orange. Orange pips means seeds of orange. So these are the seeds of orange. So the correct answer is number D. Now which of these fruits grow on trees? Pumpkin is too heavy. It cannot grow on trees. Watermelon is also so heavy, so it cannot grow on tree. Mango is a fruit and it has lighter weight, so it grow on trees. So the correct answer is number C. Number D is grapes. Grapes are climbers. They climb up on different trees, but they cannot grow on trees. Grapes cannot grow on trees. Okay, so the correct answer is mango. Now last one is number 5. What does the stem carry to the other parts of plant? Now the stem of a plant carry different things to different parts of the plant. Now here you have air and water. Yes, it carry water, but it cannot carry air. Number B is air and food. Yes, it carry food, but it cannot carry air. Water and food. Yes, this is the correct answer. They carry water and food to the other parts of the plant, and air is not the correct answer. Although they need air to grow, but they cannot carry it. So what did they carry? They carry water and food to the other parts of the plant. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.